Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to show you Microsoft Loop. This is absolutely new launch from the Microsoft range of products, obviously. So Microsoft Loop is a collaborative planning system that can work for most of the persons, and obviously I am going to put a perspective where it can be used by the project managers and developers. So you can go for search for Microsoft Loop, and then you can come to this home page of Microsoft Loop, and you can log in into these things exactly. So let's log in and then we can see. So I have logged in a different browser, and this is where it looks like. Not this is the first. This is not the first page for the Microsoft Loop exactly. So if you browse all the section over here, and I am going to delete this one, obviously. Okay. So this would be the first section you will be landing on. So there are a lot of things that Microsoft Loop can do. Obviously, it is a very good tool for project management. It's a very good tool for project management because you can get a lot of interactivity for this into the project management, and we will go in step by step. So first of all thing is that you have to browse for the workspace. So this is the default workspace. Obviously you can create your own workspace. So I will be creating my own workspace, suppose projects. Now I can give a emoji over here. I would give a computer emojis just for simple, and then create my workspace. Once I create my workspace, obviously I have the untitled page over here, and in the below there are certain predefined templates that can be used. But this is looking like a normal text editor and looking like a simple tool, but it has a very good potential of doing the work in a much more efficient way than your normal editors. So first I have prepared some content for the e-commerce project. So let's put in and see what it can do exactly. So I copy this content, paste it in. Okay, so this is my heading, and if I use my second heading over here, and you can see you can paste the second heading. I have pasted the second heading, but there are different things here, obviously. So the first thing is that if you click on this small icon, it will give you emojis. It will give you the comment section over here for writing comments on its test command. Exactly. So it pins the comments with the text here. So now if you delete this, the whole comment's gone. If you wanted to insert details into this, there are certain steps to do this. You just click the / and it will give you a bunch of different options. Okay, now coming to the first option is the heading option. It's a normal heading option. Second heading, H2 type heading, and H3 type heading, smaller than the normal. But the table option is the most interesting. So let's put a table over here. And now see, it's have a table. So let's first name the column. Okay, so paste user@gmail.com and test. So you can see, you will tell this is a very simple table, but no, this has a lot of functionality in it built in. So first we can add a column like this, and suppose say phone number, and I can write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, just like this number over there. and you can select here, change the column name, column type. So that column can be a text, that column can be a number, that column can be a date. If you choose date, then this will pop up with a calendar. Now again go and change it to number. It will take numbers. Okay, it will take numbers only. Now if you change the column to a person, and changing the column will erase the data. Okay, so you can give an @ and you can see all the person that are in your section will be popping up. So you can feel what kind of power it holds exactly. There are another things like voting section, like level section. Okay, you can sort the column by itself. You can sort the columns. You can sort descending, you can sort ascending. Okay, so this is not all with this. You can add rows, obviously there is another row, but there is more features to it. When you click on your left hand side, you can create, and this is not only with the table, this can be created with the create loop component. Exactly. So it's this whole section is now converted into a component part. Now if you click on this and you can link option or URL, it converts it into an URL, and obviously you can see which people have access to this page, which section. Just a second. Copy component. If you copy component, you will get the link, and if you embed this link into any email account, this whole section will be coming there. Now this is not all. This component is a live transmission. So if someone's you shared with the email, just write an email ID over here, it will automatically get pops up if you are opening this page, and you can see that person cursor is here, just like the Google spreadsheet or Google Docs exactly. Now you can see we can do a lot more. If you see, we can just click and the checklists come in. Now I have some my points over here, and I can just copy them and paste it, and all it's converted into a checklist. Okay, so it can be done, it can be done, it can be done. All these things can be going over this. Now you can also do some more stuff with bullet and numbering. Obviously you can have a voting table, a progress tracker, and a person, date picker, date task list, and the whole task list is generated over here. So you can do a lot of things with this, a lot of things, and this is the best tool coming in for the project managers and developer to collaborate into the section. So this going to be changing a lot of things. Now this is not all. It has another section where the ideas comes in, and if you have any kind of idea, you can again go and your thing, and it cannot be shared. It is not going to share. It is just your ideas that are coming in. Now you can go again, browse to the workspace, click on the workspace, and here I am. Now if you click the share button over here, you can share the entire workspace. You can copy the links from here. You can loop component. You just wanted to share this component. So if you click on this, you can write anyone's email ID, and this would be getting shared. If you just a second, it clicked, so it will give you. If you go to the page links, you can have the page link obviously, and if you wanted to loop components, you can have the link. So you can do so much with this. You can even add a cover image to this whole section with the emoji over here. As I have showed you, there is a lot of potential in this. Exactly, this is a Postgres tracker that can be created. So each and everything is built in. You can do a lot of stuff with this. I would be giving the link for Microsoft Loop in my description. Go and try this out. This would be really helpful. If you do like my videos, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.